Today we are going to unbox Nutri Tiffin Plus Chocolate Daily Nutrition. 10 vitamins and minerals, promotes height, strong bones, brain development, bubble and bodies. Okay. Neat capacity 12 packet into 12 gram, 144 gram. Okay, I think there is a gift inside. The manufacture date is 15 May 2025 and expired date 14 May 2026. MRP 200 taka. We bought it after a discount only 160 taka. Okay, let's unbox. Okay, we have opened it. Now we will see what's the gift inside. Okay, this is the gift. Nice gift. Okay, this is ice cream eraser. Okay, Guangbo Group Stock Company Limited, made in China. Nice. Not for children under 3 years of the age due to small parts. Okay, nice eraser. And now we are going to count the chocolate. Okay, see. Okay, yummy chocolate. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, let's see. Tiffin Bubbleland. Okay, Tiffin chocolate nutrition. Okay, press it, cut it and eat. Nice. This is a really tasty nutrition. You can try. Kids really love it. You can bought it in 3 flavors in one box, or different individual single flavor one box. I bought single flavor, only chocolate flavor. Okay, so it's really nice. Not like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 inside. Now 6 outside. Okay, I'm showing you how to count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now 7 8 9 10 11 12 chocolate in one box. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.